Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Next tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to factory reset your LG G8 ThinQ. This also works on the G7 as well from any other service providers. What you need to do, you will need to turn the device off by pressing and hold the power key. It will give you the power off option, and that's one way to power the device off. Now, if you have a pattern or password on the phone, it's not going to let you turn the phone off. What you will need to do is you will need to press the special key, the volume down key, and the power key at the same time. And you press and hold for about 5 seconds. A message will come up, and that way it will turn the phone off. I'm just going to do the old-fashioned power the device off by holding the power key. Once the phone is off, what you will need to do is you will need to press the power, the volume down key at the same time. As soon as the phone turns on, you want to release the power, press again, and keep holding until the factory reset screen comes up. What you will need to do here is telling you if you want to delete everything off your device, you want to pick the yes option, and you want to scroll down by pressing the volume down key. Press the power key to confirm, down to yes again, press the power key. This, the phone will start erasing everything off the device. This should conclude our tutorial for today. If you found it helpful to you, please make sure to like, subscribe my channel, and share my video to support the channel as well. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.